So, hello everyone. We are starting the tour with the boat in the Lake Kivu. Lake Kivu is a volcanic lake and is a part of Rwanda and part of DRC. Here in Gisenyi, we are neighboring DRC, and we are not too far from Goma town. So everyone may come. Really, we recommend everyone to come and enjoy the Lake Kivu activities. We are a lot of having activities like fishing of small fish called sambaza, and the people may also visit small island around here. We have a lot of things to offer in tourism attraction. So we really recommend everyone to come to our company, Amisha Tours, and then we can really help you to do your most tours in Rwanda and also in the Lake Kivu. You are most welcome, and thank you for that. I can see that everyone, after seeing this video, I'm expecting more books. Thank you guys.